Welcome back to the final session of our Account Management Reference Bible chapter on negotiating skills for account managers. In this session, we'll explore the importance of developing lasting relationships through negotiation. The power of relationships. Strong relationships are the foundation of successful account management and long-term partnerships. Fostering open communication. Maintain open and transparent communication with clients throughout the negotiation process. Building trust and credibility. Establish trust and credibility by delivering on promises and consistently providing value. Maintaining a customer-centric approach. Keep the client's needs and interests at the forefront of all negotiations and interactions. Continuously adding value. Continuously add value to the client's business, going beyond the initial negotiation. Seeking feedback and improvement. Seek feedback from clients to understand their satisfaction and areas for improvement. Handling challenges proactively. Address challenges and issues proactively, demonstrating your commitment to the client's success. Personalizing the relationship. Recognize the unique qualities of each client and personalize the relationship accordingly. Celebrating milestones together. Celebrate milestones and achievements together, reinforcing the partnership. Ensuring smooth renewals. Leverage the strength of the relationship to facilitate smooth contract renewals. Conclusion. Developing lasting relationships through negotiation is the key to long-term success in account management. By fostering open communication, building trust and credibility, maintaining a customer-centric approach, continuously adding value, seeking feedback and improvement, handling challenges proactively, personalizing the relationship, celebrating milestones together, and ensuring smooth renewals, account managers can solidify their partnerships and create a lasting impact on their clients' businesses. Congratulations! You've completed our chapter on negotiating skills for account managers. In the next section, closing deals and renewals, we'll delve into the critical aspects of finalizing deals and ensuring contract renewals. So make sure to check it out for more valuable insights in our Account Management Reference Bible series. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next section.